Hello everyone, my name is Gayatri Naik and I am from 10th grade Embark branch. Today I have made a project on home security. Security has been a major concern in every house. To secure our home we surround it by putting a compound. But do you think is that the only way to protect our house? Absolutely not. The robbers have searched thousands of ways to enter your house. They can come inside your house by crossing the compound too. So the question might be arising, what can be the solution for that? So don't worry, I have come up with the solution for you guys. As you can see in my project, I have surrounded the house by putting a compound on which I have situated the ray transmitter and the ray receiver. The ray gets transmitted and it gets received at the other end of the compound. And when the connection between them two breaks, the automatic alarm rings inside your house. Now let us see how it's practically work. Till the connection between them two is not break, the automatic alarm will not ring. But as soon as the connection will break like this, the alarm will start ringing inside your house. This will alert you from the robbers or the person who is entering by crossing the compound without your permission. So this is about the home security. Now you might be also wondering that why this house is called a smart house. So there are few more features relating to it. The first is the automatic doorbell. This is the automatic doorbell which gives you alarm automatically. When a person stands on the staircase, the automatic alarm rings inside your house. The second is the solar panel, which converts solar energy into the electrical energy and provide to the whole house. Because of this, we can save our natural resources like coal. Third is the water tank indicator, which indicates how much percentage of water is there in your tank. And when the water tank gets fully filled with the water, the automatic alarm rings inside your house. Because of this technique, you can save your water too. Because of such techniques like saving our natural resources like coal, water, this house is called a smart house. And I know that you all are going to implement it in your house and make your house a smart house like this. Thank you.